Question number 1.
David suggested lunch at the new cafe downtown. A. Having. B. To have. C. Have.
Question number 2.
Michael promised on time for the meeting. A. B. B. To be. C. Being.
Question number 3.
Sarah enjoys along the waterfront in Seattle. A. Walking. B. Walk. C. To walk.
Question number 4.
Sarah enjoys along the waterfront in Seattle. A. Walking. B. Walk. C. To walk.
Question number 5.
You finish your homework before going out. A. Must. B. Can. C. May.
Question number 6.
Jessica play the guitar very well. A. Should. B. Can. C. Must.
Question number 7.
David study harder if he wants to pass. A. Should. B. Can. C. May.
Question number 8.
If Michael his passport, he won't be able to travel. A. Loses. B. Lost. C. Lose.
Question number 9.
If Jessica had more time, she'd join the gym. A. Would. B. Will. C. Shall.
Question number 10.
If David had prepared better, he passed the exam. A. Would have. B. Has. C. Will have.
Question number 11.
A group of musicians performing in Washington, D.C. tonight. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 12.
Neither Michael nor his friends ready yet. A. Are. B. Is. C. Was.
Question number 13.
The list of items on the table. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 14.
News about the storm spreading quickly. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 15.
Sarah runs very. A. Quickly. B. Quick. C. Quicker.
Question number 16.
Michael is a speaker than Jessica. A. More confident. B. Confidently. C. Confidentlier.
Question number 17.
David speaks English than Spanish. A. Fluent. B. More fluently. C. Fluently.
Question number 18.
That's the teacher helped me with grammar. A. Who. B. Which. C. Whom.
Question number 19.
The book Jessica bought is very interesting. A. Which. B. Who. C. Whom.
Question number 20.
The student essay won the prizes from Seattle. A. Whose. B. Who. C. Which.
Question number 21.
Jessica will meet me the coffee shop on Main Street. A. At. B. In. C. On.
Question number 22.
David lives a small apartment in San Francisco. A. On. B. In. C. At.
Question number 23.
Sarah's office is located 5th Avenue. A. On. B. In. C. At.
Question number 24.
Michael said he tired after work. A. Is. B. Was. C. Were.
Question number 25.
Jessica told me she leaving for California soon. A. Was. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 26.
David said he already eaten dinner. A. Has. B. Had. C. Have.
Question number 27.
You arrive at least 15 minutes early for the interview. A. Should. B. May. C. Can.
Question number 28.
Sarah not park in front of that building. A. Must. B. Can. C. Should.
Question number 29.
Jessica cooked delicious Italian food. A. Can. B. Must. C. Should.
Question number 30.
If David fast, he will catch the bus. A. Runs. B. Run. C. Ran.
Question number 31.
If Michael had studied, he done better. A. Would have. B. Will have. C. Had.
Question number 32.
If Jessica here, she would help us. A. Is. B. Were. C. Was.
Question number 33.
Either Sarah or Michael responsible for the project. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 34.
Both David and Jessica excited about the concert. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was.
Question number 35.
The committee reached a decision. A. Have. B. Has. C. Having.
Question number 36.
Michael drives more than his brother. A. Careful. B. Carefully. C. Carefuler.
Question number 37.
Jessica sings more than anyone in her class. A. Beautifully. B. Beautiful. C. More beautiful.
Question number 38.
That's the cafe we first met in Washington, D.C. A. Where. B. Which. C. When.
Question number 39.
The woman laptop was stolen, reported it to the police. A. Who. B. Whose. C. Whom.
Question number 40.
The teacher asked if David completed his project. A. Had. B. Has. C. Have.
Question number 41.
Jessica asked me where I born. A. Am. B. Was. C. Were.
Question number 42.
Michael wanted to know if we attending the conference. A. Were. B. Are. C. Was.
Question number 43.
Sarah stayed home. It was snowing heavily. A. Because. B. Although. C. Despite.
Question number 44.
It was raining. Jessica went jogging in Seattle. A. although. B, because. C, despite.
Question number 45.
The flight was canceled. The storm in San Francisco. A, because. B, although. C, despite.
Question number 46.
Washington, D.C., is famous its monuments. A, for. B, on. C, at.
Question number 47.
Jessica is taller. Sarah. A, than. B, than. C, as.
Question number 48.
Michael enjoys science fiction novels. A, to read. B, reading. C, read.
Question number 49.
David refused the party last night. A, attend. B, to attend. C, attending.
Question number 50.
Sarah insisted on every detail carefully. A, checking. B, to check. C, check.